Every Wednesday is Wildin' Out Wednesday here, and we've got some comedians at this time. We have YVONNE Orji. How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Orji or Orji?
It's Orji. It's
Orji.
African, so it's Orji.
So it's Orji.
Yeah.
Orji.
Here we go.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Orji, you shouldn't.
That's why I'm a comedian. Now, what else can I do with that last name?
Yeah, but you need to go with Orji. You need to, right. So, YVONNE, so what happened? You didn't get the memo. You didn't bring nothing. What's the deal?
You know, I brought you the smile and the love.
And a touch of Africa.
And I brought you the
Do it for the vine.
Hey,
Do it for the vine.
but you don't know. Hey, yes, sir, yes, sir. Ah. Well, what you know about that, Roland?
So, are you from the motherland, or did you just visit?
No, I was born in Nigeria.
You born in Nigeria?
Yes.
Igbo Kwenu, hey.
I'm from the Igbo tribe, so whenever we're around Igbos, we go Igbo Kwenu, hey. And that's the response. Yeah.
And you dance for money. You was the original man.
Whoa, stop, hold on. Your last name Orji, you dance for money.
You got to do it in context.
Okay, go
Okay,
ahead.
right. Put it in context.
We call it spray. So we started the spraying before the rappers did. So at every function, if it's a wedding, if it's a birthday.
So spraying, y'all mean making it rain?
we make it rain. So you have to dance on it.
So
You have to dance.
Well, stay in the hell up and do it. So what you doing?
Too much money. Hey, problems.
ahead,
Have
girl.
to spend it. Plenty dollar. I go to the. I make you spend it.
Y'all making it rain with tissue?
What?
All right, so what you got coming up?
I am doing the UMU IGBO UNITE convention in Atlanta, Georgia, July 31st. So come
it's
see
true.
me.
Look at that.
Oh, it's true. You really got a graphic. Back with our comedians. I'm Roland Martin. You're watching NewsOne Now on TVOne. Do the shout out again.
Igbo Kwenu, hey.
Mbaba, ndede,
Dumbada,
hey.